Go to RiceDrive.com and log in using your email and a verification code. Step 1. Connect your PikPak to RiceDrive. Before adding PikPak, you need to enable WebDAV on the official website. Go to mypikpak.com, log into your PikPak account, and then go to the Settings page to enable the WebDAV feature. Copy the server host, username, and password, then paste them into the matching fields in RiceDrive. Make sure the host address includes https:// and the port number, for example, https:// your domain port. PikPak is now successfully connected to RiceDrive. View your added cloud storage on the My Drives page. Step 2. Connect your Google Drive account to RiceDrive. Select a Google account you want to connect. Click the Continue button. Check the checkbox and click the Continue button to grant RiceDrive access to your Google account. Google Drive is now successfully connected to RiceDrive. Both Google Drive and PikPak have been successfully connected to RiceDrive. Step 3. Create a transfer task from PikPak to Google Drive. Select the file or folder you want to transfer from PikPak. Select a folder in Google Drive to store files transferred from PikPak. In the Settings options, you can configure filter conditions and define how to handle existing files. In the Schedule settings, you can set up a daily or weekly plan. Click the Start button to create and execute the transfer task. The task has started. You can close the web page and focus on other work. RiceDrive will continue running in the background. The task has been completed successfully. Please check the logs to confirm that all files have been transferred successfully. The folder has been successfully transferred from PikPak to Google Drive. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will be happy to respond.